Welcome, my dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Okay, this is very important chapter, my dear students. So let's start. Let's start with meaning of Chamber of Commerce. A Chamber of Commerce is voluntary association of firms belonging to the different trade and industries. So, students, here voluntary means set up an association by businessmen themselves. Voluntary association means that businessmen set up an association by themselves. It may be defined as the voluntary association or of manufacturer, merchant, financiers, and other engaged in business in a particular locality. So, this is voluntary association is set up by manufacturer, merchant, financier, or any also all who are engaged in business. Okay, region or any country. Therefore, it does not represent any particular trade or industry. So, Chamber of Commerce is not for any particular trade or industry. It is for all type of business industries. Yes, even professionals, experts like chartered accountant can become member of Chamber of Commerce. The main objective of a Chamber of Commerce is to promote general business interest for all the members of and so faster to grow commerce in a particular locality, region or country. So main objective of Chamber of Commerce to protect and encourage any type of business and industries, all type of business and industries. Yes, Chamber of Commerce is not profit making organization, so its objective is not to earn profit. Its objective to protect and promote the business industries. Yes, now let's move on. Distinction between Chamber of Commerce and Trade Association. Distinction between Chamber of Commerce and Trade Association. Let's start. Both Chamber of Commerce and Trade Association are voluntary and non-profit making organizations. They perform by and large similar function, but there are following difference between them. So both Chamber of Commerce and Trade Association large functions are similar, but some difference. First one is scope. A trade association consists of business firms operating in the same industry or trade. On the other hand, Chamber of Commerce includes business firms operating in different field of activities. Thus, it is wider in the scope of trade association. So, trade association operating a particular industry such as sugar industry, cotton industries, iron industry, whereas the Chamber of Commerce deals to every type of business and industry. Yes, all type of business and industry. Chamber of Commerce deals all type of business and industries. That is why we can say that the Chamber of Commerce having wider scope in comparison to trade association. Yes. Second, second is nature of member firms. The various firms which constitute a trade association are essentially competitor. ट्रेड एसोसिएशंस के मेंबर्स are essentially competitor, but all the members in a chamber of commerce are not competitors. So those member firm who form a trade association are in competition with each other. On the other hand, firm which are member of chamber of commerce are not competitor. Yes, and last one is representation. Representation. A chamber of commerce represents in the interest of business community in general, while trade association seeks to protect and promote the interest of a particular industry. Okay. So students, chamber of commerce represent whole business community, all type of business community. Yes, while trade association represent the particular industries. Yes. Okay.